Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we will gonna ask this question to a ChatGPT. So let's see how does it respond. So without any further ado, so let me show you on a screen. So as you can see, on a screen. So first you need to enter the system view, then you need to write this command BGP router ID, and then BGP AS number, and then peer group name. Then you need to enter neighbor IP address, group name, and AS number, and then save configuration. These are the steps provided by the ChatGPT. So hope you guys like this video. So I'm making more videos on this topic, so stay tuned.